This presentation is about research methodology for engineers. It is prepared for PhD level understanding. The course is guided by me, T. Harina Rayana, who is an advisor at Osmania University. This course will help us understand how research is done in a systematic and scientific way. In this course, there are different modules that will be covered in 45 class periods. The first module is research problem formulation. The second module is hypothesis formulation. The third module is statistical techniques. The fourth module is statistical analysis of data. The fifth module is research report writing. Each module focuses on an important part of the research process. The expected outcome of this course is to help students identify a research problem clearly. Students will become capable of analyzing data effectively. They will learn how to apply statistical concepts in research. They will also be able to demonstrate different research methods based on the problem. In research problem formulation, we study different topics. These include understanding what a research problem is. We also learn about sources of research problems. We understand how to deal with a research problem. We learn the criteria of a good research problem. We also study errors that can happen while selecting a research problem. Different types of research problems are explained. We also understand the nature and use of arguments in research. The research process is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 includes essential first steps. Phase 2 includes data collection. Phase 3 includes analysis and interpretation. Each phase is important for completing research successfully. Phase 1 is the starting stage of research. In this phase, we clarify the issue that needs to be researched. We also select suitable research methods. This phase is very important because unclear or broad questions cannot be answered properly. The research method helps to follow a proper plan or design. This phase also helps to understand what type of data is needed. It also helps to decide the sample size or amount of data required. Phase 2 focuses on collecting data. Different methods are used, such as surveys, interviews, literature review, and observation. Interviews are conducted and recorded carefully. The recordings are then converted into written form. Researchers may attend conferences and take notes. All the collected data is summarized. Important ideas and thoughts are extracted from notes and transcripts. Phase 3 involves analysis and interpretation of data. In this phase, data is connected with the research question. Conclusions are drawn based on the findings. The limitations of the study are also identified and evaluated. Report writing is done after completing the research. Not everything that is done during research is included in the report. Only important information is presented. The report should clearly explain the research so that others can understand and repeat it. A research report contains several important parts. It includes a clear statement of the problem. It includes a review of related literature. It includes hypotheses or research objectives. It describes the research design. It explains variables and how they are used. It describes the sample selection process. It explains how data was collected. It presents and summarizes data in words. It gives conclusions, limitations, and implications. It includes references and appendices. Now I summarize all the key points of today's session. This course consists of 45 classes. There are 5 modules in total. The course includes lectures and assignments. There are no practical sessions and no tutorials. Students need to write CAT 1, CAT 2, and then semester exam. CAT 1 has 25% weightage CAT. 2 has 25% weightage end semester. Exam has 50% weightage assignments, and CAT exams are evaluated in a ratio of 20 to 80. By the end of the course, students will be able to choose and solve research problems effectively. They will also learn how to handle data and produce meaningful conclusions. Thank you for your attention. This marks the end of the presentation.